These Oriental Rosewood fishbowl stands, that's what they're called. They come in a variety of sizes, ranging from 6.5 all the way up to 15.5 inches. And those are in 1-inch increments. These are great for potted plants and decorative bowls. The measurements, the size of the stand is referring to the diameter of the top part where the pot will sit. So a pot with a 13-inch base will sit on the 13.5-inch stand. And a smaller base on the smaller stand. You should have 5 legs.